Did you know that soybeans are one of the most versatile crops in the world? From cooking oil to protein-rich foods, soybeans play a crucial role in our daily lives. But have you ever wondered how millions of tons of soybeans are harvested and processed into the products we use every day? In this video, we'll take you on a journey from the fields to the factories, uncovering the fascinating process behind soybean farming and processing. Whether you're a farming enthusiast, a foodie, or just curious about how your food is made, this video is packed with insights you won't want to miss. Let's dive into the world of soybeans and discover the incredible technology and hard work that make it all possible. Stay tuned as we explore every step of the process, from planting seeds to producing cooking oil and protein products. Let's get started. Soybean farming. From seed to harvest, soybean farming begins with the planting of seeds, typically in late spring or early summer. Farmers carefully prepare the soil, ensuring it's rich in nutrients and well drained. Soybeans thrive in warm climates and require plenty of sunlight, making regions like the Midwest in the United States and parts of South America ideal for cultivation. Over the next few months, the soybean plants grow rapidly, developing pods that contain the precious beans. Farmers monitor the fields closely, checking for pests, diseases, and soil conditions. Proper irrigation and fertilization are key to ensuring a healthy crop. By late summer or early fall, the soybean plants are ready for harvest. The pods turn brown, and the leaves begin to fall, signaling that it's time to bring in the crop. But how do farmers harvest millions of tons of soybeans efficiently? Let's find out in the next segment. Modern harvesting techniques and machinery. Gone are the days of manual harvesting. Today, farmers rely on advanced machinery like combine harvesters to efficiently collect soybeans. These machines cut the plants, separate the beans from the pods, and clean the beans all in one seamless process. Modern combine harvesters are equipped with GPS and sensors that optimize the harvesting process. They can cover vast fields in a short amount of time, ensuring minimal crop loss and maximum efficiency. This technology allows farmers to harvest millions of tons of soybeans with precision and speed. Transporting soybeans to processing facilities. After harvest, soybeans are loaded into trucks or trains and transported to processing facilities. These facilities are often located near farming regions to reduce transportation costs and ensure freshness. Upon arrival, the soybeans are stored in large silos, where they are kept in optimal conditions to maintain quality. From here, the beans are ready to be transformed into cooking oil and protein products. How soybeans are processed into cooking oil. The first step in processing soybeans into cooking oil is cleaning and crushing. The beans are thoroughly cleaned to remove any impurities, then cracked and dehulled to separate the oil-rich kernels. Next, the kernels are heated and pressed to extract the crude oil. This oil undergoes refining to remove any remaining impurities, resulting in clear, golden cooking oil that's ready for packaging and distribution. Soybean oil is one of the most widely used cooking oils in the world, thanks to its neutral flavor and high smoke point. But soybeans aren't just used for oil, they're also a key ingredient in protein products. Let's explore that next. Turning soybeans into protein products. Soybeans are a powerhouse of protein, making them an essential ingredient in many plant-based foods. After oil extraction, the remaining soybean meal is processed into products like tofu, soy milk, and protein powder. These products are created by grinding the soybean meal, mixing it with water, and applying heat and pressure to form different textures. The result is a versatile range of protein-rich foods that cater to vegetarians, vegans, and health-conscious consumers. From meat alternatives to protein shakes, soybeans are revolutionizing the food industry. But none of this would be possible without the role of technology. Let's dive into that next. The role of technology in soybean processing. Technology plays a crucial role in every stage of soybean processing. From automated harvesting machines to AI-driven quality control systems, innovation ensures efficiency, consistency, and sustainability. Farmers and processors use data analytics to monitor crop health, optimize yields, and reduce waste. IoT sensors track temperature and humidity in storage facilities, ensuring the soybeans remain in perfect condition. Additionally, advancements in sustainable technology are reducing the environmental impact of soybean processing. From renewable energy to eco-friendly packaging, the industry is committed to a greener future. Conclusion and call to action. From the fields to your table, The journey of soybeans is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology. Whether it's cooking oil or protein products, soybeans are transforming the way we eat and live. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Agri Land Tech. For more fascinating insights into agriculture and technology, let's grow smarter